Yellow. Ilia Topuria's punches sound surreal. They're like gunshots, the way he sets up that lead hook with tighter, lighter punches that essentially get you to flinch one way before he touches you another. It's a philosophy where he baits you into shelling or protecting one way, then that lead hooking comes to the body or up high, and it cracks you clean, often setting up the backhand by building respect for that lead. That's why he knocks people out, why his backhand has so much power. He has respect in both hands. He gets you to flinch one way, touches you hard another, which sets up another way. It's a back and forth game. Chess, not checkers. Let's listen to the surreal sound of his punches now. Essentially, Ilia Topuria is a master of combinations. Touching light, he sets up that lead hook, and with respect established, that's when the backhand comes clattering in clean, concussing his opponents to the canvas.